Welcome to Ronen's Playhouse and Learning. Hey kids! Welcome to our super fun learning adventure. Today we're going to learn the names of vegetables, how to say them correctly, and why they're awesome for your body. Ready? Let's go!
Carrot, carrot,
Carrots help keep your eyes healthy and strong.
potato, potato,
Potatoes give you energy to play and run all day.
tomato, tomato,
Tomatoes are great for your heart.
onion, onion,
Onions help fight germs and keep you healthy.
cucumber, cucumber,
Cucumbers keep you cool and hydrated.
broccoli, broccoli,
It helps your bones grow strong.
spinach, spinach,
It makes your muscles strong.
cauliflower, cauliflower,
Cauliflower is great for your brain.
cabbage, cabbage,
Cabbage keeps your tummy happy.
peas, peas,
Tiny but full of protein.
corn, corn,
Corn gives energy to play.
green beans, green beans,
Green beans are great for your heart.
bell pepper, bell pepper,
Bell pepper, full of vitamin C.
chili pepper, chili pepper,
Chili pepper boosts metabolism.
pumpkin, pumpkin,
Pumpkin helps your eyes.
zucchini, zucchini,
Zucchini helps with the digestion.
eggplant, eggplant,
Eggplant protects your cells.
beetroot, beetroot,
Beetroot cleans your blood.
radish, radish,
Radish helps your liver.
sweet potato, sweet potato,
Sweet potato, a natural sweet energy snack.
mushroom, mushroom,
Mushroom boosts immunity.
lettuce, lettuce,
Lettuce helps you sleep.
Asparagus. Asparagus.
Asparagus. Good for your kidneys.
Celery. Celery.
Celery keeps you hydrated.
Leek. Leek.
Leek fights off colds.
Okra. Okra.
Okra helps digestion.
Turnip. Turnip.
Turnip. Good for the heart.
Artichoke. Artichoke.
Artichoke helps your liver.
Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts helps your tummy.
Yam. Yam.
Yam, full of energy. Wow, kids! You did amazing! You learned how to say 30 vegetables, one benefit of each. Remember to eat your veggies every day to stay strong and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye!